So hey everyone, we're back with another tutorial video, and this video will be a step-by-step guide on how to use Tantan. So a little description about Tantan: it is a free-to-download social app designed to help individuals build friendly or romantic connections with others. And so moving forward, in order to use the application, you will need to install it first. So firstly, go to your Play Store and type Tantan, search it up, and there it is. Click on the install button and wait for it to download. Now, open the app and the first homepage will provide you with two options on either to continue with your phone number or Facebook. Please feel free to choose any of the options you are comfortable with. For now, I am choosing the phone number option. Here you need to enter your personal phone number and also adjust the country code. Press continue and there would most likely be displayed a choose the order bar. Select the correct order and click on OK button. Enter the verification code that has been sent on your mobile phone and then set up your profile. Fill in all of the details provided to you. Please be notified that you cannot change your gender afterwards. So set up a strong password and click on continue. Now, upload a profile picture from your gallery. In order to do this, you will have to allow access to the media on your device. Choose an appropriate picture, set the proper ratio preferable to you, and click on Start Tantan. Now, in order to respect the user's privacy and enhance experience, Tantan allows you to block phone contacts and mutual contacts as well. Adjust the buttons to your comfort. Click on Start Swiping. Press Allow if you want to provide access to your contacts and your current location, or else press Don't Allow to restrict it. Grant access for more personalized experience. This app involves a feature of swiping left or right. Like a person's profile, swipe right or else swipe left, just like this. So here you also have the functionality of super liking a person. This feature would ensure that he or she will see your profile picture card and profile will be shown with blue background which stands out from others to make the other person notice you. And here you can also explore other VIP features such as unlimited likes and rewinds, and premium features such as the ability to see who liked me and who sees me. By tapping the messages button in the bottom tab, you can also view your current and past conversations with your matches. Tantan uses a powerful moderation system that keeps Tantan free of bots and fakers, so please ensure you upload a genuine picture of yourself. So here you can explore various features such as sending stickers and voice messages. With the plus button, you can also access additional options like pictures and more. You could also get verified for increasing success rates from this button. Now, in order to adjust your settings, click on the screw-like icon on the top right corner. You can customize your location for closer matches or set it to unknown based on your preference. Customize the distance of your reach. Also, adjust the age range that you want to target on dating. Check your personal information, and as you can see, there is no option to change the gender. Privacy and permissions, if you want to change the privacy settings, set beforehand, and the adjustment options for notifications. As you scroll down, you can also take a look at all of the setting control buttons, such as feedback for any complaints or suggestions, and also the help button to guide you throughout your journey. And as we come back to the home page, you also have the option to boost yourself. Also, when you click on your profile, you can also see various VIP services, and as I click on the I like button, you can also have a look at your previous likes. And here you have a person's profile divided into three parts. By clicking on the top right, you can see the person's next photo. And also by clicking on the top left, you can see a person's previous photo. And by clicking on the bottom part, you can see a person's profile and the information that they have entered. And you can just swipe right or left or click on the buttons as preferred and see the personal information by clicking on the bottom section. And now, as you can see, you also have the ability to switch accounts. In order to log into another account, click on the Add Account. And then you could repeat the same process as before. You also have the freedom to sign out of the account and the will to either remember the information entered or not. Here, I chose to not remember the information for privacy. And now I am logged out of the account, and as you can see, it leads to the very first homepage. Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button.